Obviously, it is natural to be skeptical about anything to do with services on the internet. I have tried many before, and the end is up being terrible. By God's grace, I stumbled on Taha. I was amazed when I read his job details and reviews. I chatted him up and really felt that he knew what he was doing. I took a leap of faith and decided to patronize him. I can say that I regret only a few things in my life, and Taha Services was definitely not something I regret. He changed my perceptions and added a defining narratives to how services should be rendered. He is being astounding, from an incredible SEO toolkit to an impressive digital marketing and of course YouTube marketing. Taha is a name to remember.